A man was walking through the countryside near his home one day and came across a rickety old fence dividing a couple of pastures full of sheep and cows. He thought, it seems pretty useless, and it's definitely not adding anything aesthetically to the landscape, so why don't I just tear it down? So he tore it down. However, within a couple of months of the fence's destruction, all the cows were suddenly looking dangerously skinny. What went wrong? Turned out that the fence, ugly and old though it might have been, was there to keep the sheep away from the cows. Sheep crop grass closer to the ground than cows, so if you mix the two, the sheep eat everything, and the cows go hungry. Whoops, it turned out he need to repent his dom. As results, he made decision to build another fence. This story is created to explain a simple rule of thumb, named Chesterton's fence, which suggests that you should never destroy a fence, change a rule, or do away with a tradition until you understand why it's there in the first place. This rule comes from the book, The Thing, Why I Am a Catholic by an English philosopher G.K. Chesterton. Here's the original text. If you don't see the use of it, I certainly won't let you clear it away. Go away and think. Then, when you can come back and tell me that you do see the use of it, I may allow you to destroy it. This rule is frequently cited because it has a simplicity that is difficult to disagree with. But we must be wary of being overly bound by this rule, because it is sometimes used as a means of rationalization for our refusal to change.